Design your own custom desk organizer. Is your desk constantly cluttered with stationery and small items? Hey creative minds, welcome to Bambu Lab Academy. In this lesson, we're going from 0 to 1. You're going to design your very own custom desk organizer from scratch. The secret is parametric design. Instead of working with a fixed shape, you use adjustable dimensions. Length, width, and height are all controlled by parameters that you can change at any time. Let's build it. Log into MakerWorld and head into MakerLab. Select Make My Desk Organizer, then create a new empty project. First, select the printer series that matches your machine. We'll use the Square Shape tool to demonstrate. This sets the available build area and helps make sure your organizer will fit on the print bed. For this example, use a length of 200, a width of 60, a corner radius of 3, a height of 150, and a wall thickness of 2. These are only starting values, so feel free to enter the measurements that work best for your own desk and printer. Next, select the pen tool and draw a couple of dividers to shape your organizer. Hold Shift while drawing to keep each line straight, then press Escape twice to finish the line. Then set the divider height to 150. You can adjust this value at any time, depending on how you want to divide the available space. Now, add another rectangle. Set the inner size to 120 with a corner radius of 0, a height of 40, and a wall thickness of 2. Duplicate the rectangle and align it with the first. Change its height to 20. These compartment sizes are completely up to you, so adjust them to suit the items you want to store. Add one more rectangle. Set the corner radius to 3 and the wall thickness to 2. Scale it to match the overall organizer. Then use the pen tool to add one final divider and complete the layout. At any point, you can drag the bounding box to resize individual sections until everything feels just right. When your design is ready, switch to the 3D preview and check it from every angle. Once you're happy with the result, export the model in 3MF format. Open it in Bambu Studio. Confirm your printer and filament settings. Select Slice Plate and start printing. And that's it! A desk organizer designed by you, built by your printer, and sized exactly the way you need it. But this organizer is only the beginning. At Bambu Lab Academy, you'll discover that 3D printing is about much more than simply downloading and printing files. It's about turning your own ideas into real, useful objects. Search for Bambu Lab Academy at bambulab.com/academy.